Hey everybody. Today we are continuing our discussion on the balance sheet, and today the topic is the accounting equation. It is the basic accounting equation that builds our balance sheet, and it's a really simple mathematical equation. It's simply assets equals liabilities plus equity. So every single balance sheet in the world, every single one of them, bar none, is based on this one simple equation. And before we go into some of the details on it, the one thing I want to mention about learning how to read financial statements is that it's a skill. I mean, just like doing basic math and learning how to read, those are skills that anybody and everybody can learn. And the same thing is true when it comes to reading financial statements. So don't let this stuff intimidate you. Let's just dive in. Again, the accounting equation, assets equals liabilities plus equity, okay? It always balances. And here is an example of it on the screen. And here's what I mean by balances. When we look at assets, there it is, $100,000 in our example here, right? And then on the other side of the equation, you've got total assets and liabilities. So there it is, right? So backing up a little bit, remembering that the accounting equation is assets plus liabilities equals equity. You can see, again, there's assets at the top, and then the two individual components, your liabilities, is here, and then our equity is here. So naturally, the sum of liabilities and equity equals assets. It's really pretty simple. It's not that terribly complicated. And tomorrow we will go into a little bit of a deeper layer of that and build out on that structure a little bit more. So let me close by saying this. If you guys have questions, comments, things you want me to do videos on in the future, that's great. But this is video number 2. The accounting equation. So we've got a fair amount of ways to go, but the balance sheet is as simple as this. And if you can think of the balance sheet as an accordion, that's kind of the way that I look at it. It's in our example, the way we're building this out, we're going to just start pulling it apart a little bit more and building more and more and more detail. So what's going to happen is this thing is going to get a little bit longer. It's not going to be 4 lines like it is in our current video, but it will get bigger and bigger and bigger. The other thing I would say is no company's balance sheets are created equally. They're all different. They'll look similar in terms of they're all going to have this fundamental equation behind it, but they're all different. The other part of the accordion, though, that I did want to mention is the time piece of it. It will go out wider as well. It'll go from 1 period to 2 periods to 3 periods, and those periods can vary too. So there are a lot of different ways that this thing can be stretched and pulled into different directions, and I hope that all makes sense. Again, be sure to put your comments below, and I look forward to hearing what you have to say, and can't wait to talk about tomorrow's topic. Talk to you guys later.